Invoices, payments, refunds. Important part of any business, especially immigration consultancy services. How to manage them effectively. Create a workflow to automate the updates on the same and moreover generate reports in order to analyze the progress of your business based on these parameters. Get it all managed seamlessly with Maple CRM, an all-in-one solution for immigration consultants. In addition to being a lead plus visa filing software, Maple CRM also consists of a payments module in which you can manage the payment schedules, generate invoices and manage the refunds as well. There could be cases wherein the payment is to be done in installments. You can manage all of these installments with Maple CRM Payment Scheduler. Add the number of installments and the payment amount to be done. Add the description for that. You can also add the expected date of payment and the actual date of payment against each. Whenever the payment is due, the system will trigger a notification to the clients as well as to the visa filing officer so that the payment is never missed. When a payment is done, it's a thumb rule that you have to generate a receipt and share the receipt with your clients. Do this with just one single click in Maple CRM. Here, the part gets more interesting, wherein you can generate your own custom invoices designed exactly as per the format required for your business. Place your logo, headers, footers, other details like items in the pricing, your services, etc. and generate the formats exactly as per your requirements. Wouldn't you agree with me if I say that even refunds are an important part of a payment process? That's why Maple CRM also includes refunds management in its payment module. In refunds management, you can select against which invoice do you have to initiate the refund. According to that, the details can be entered in the system and the records can be maintained. This was the functional part of the payments module. Now let's have a look at the analytical part as well. You can generate reports and customize them as well based on what details do you require to be displayed in the reports so that you can have a clear analytics of how your business is progressing. Multiple custom report formats can be generated in Maple CRM. The reports can be generated on the context of the payment, that is the payment partially done, is it fully done, or if any invoice is generated on which the payment is not done at all. You can also create a report based on the invoices, how many invoices are generated in a day, in a week, in a month or in a year. It's completely flexible as per your requirement. Also, you can have the report generated on the refunds. You can generate tax reports in Maple CRM too. These tax reports can be generated for a month, for a quarter or for a year. It's completely customizable. Generate perfect records of the payments incoming, invoices generated and the refunds initiated as well. What more do you want from an immigration CRM solution? It will manage your leads, the visa process, the finances and also the tax reports. Why don't you connect with us and we'll have an online demo of the system wherein you can actually see how the CRM operates and have a chat with our CRM expert.